Hello guys, this is Tech Help Guy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or power on the subtitles on your YouTube application. Now, all you have to do guys is open your YouTube application. Okay, let's go ahead and open our YouTube here and then type in the YouTube video that you would like to watch. Let's say um, this one of our YouTube videos in here. Let's click on that. Just in case you would like to enable the captions, just click on this one here, which says CC on the top right corner. Now this will automatically enable the subtitles on your YouTube application. So guys, that is how easy it is to enable the subtitles. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.